This is a premium dial for movement by TMI. Just like how we usually handle any other dial, please refrain from touching the front of the dial. Please take note of the two holes on the movement. They correspond to the two dial bar on the dial. Place the dial onto the movement, aligning the two dial bars with the dial holes on the movement. When the two components are in place, use light pressure at the two holes that's installed. It's done. If you need to remove the dial, pry the dial loose like this. Alternate between the two spots so you don't remove the dial at too steep of an angle. That's all. Remember to like and subscribe for more watchmaking tutorial and tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.